To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. At the top of the Messenger home screen, you will see the Active Contacts section. Swipe through the list to find the person you want to hide. Once you find them, tap and hold their profile. From the menu that appears, select Hide Contact. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Hide to confirm. The contact will be hidden from the Active Contacts section, and will no longer appear in your Messenger suggestions. Repeat the same steps to hide any other contacts you don't want to appear in the Active Contacts section. If you accidentally hide a contact and want to restore it, tap the three lines menu in the bottom right corner. Then, go to Settings. Swipe up to scroll down, and find the section called Preferences. Then, select Privacy and Safety. Under the Safety and Well-being section, tap Hidden Contacts. You will see a list of all the contacts you previously hid from your suggested contacts. Simply tap the Unhide button next to the person's name you want to restore. The contact will be restored, and will appear again in your Active Contacts section and Suggested Contacts on Messenger. You can also hide additional contacts from this section. To do this, tap the person icon with a plus sign in the top right corner. Then, search for or browse the list and select the person you want to hide. Hiding contacts helps keep your Messenger suggestions organized, and removes unwanted people from your Active Contacts section. And that's how you can hide or unhide contacts from suggested contacts on Facebook Messenger.